We have a different scenario in the weather across the whole country, especially over the western sections, where we've been expecting summer to have kicked in, but now we have this weakening cold front which is driving rain clouds into these parts of the country. And yesterday we had that cold front once again affecting the western areas. It is now affecting KwaZulu-Natal. Behind it we have rain clouds along the Eastern Cape coastal areas and also into KwaZulu-Natal, where we are seeing light rain and drizzle in places. But on the other hand, it is mostly fine for the northeastern sections. Now it's going to stay fine for the northeastern areas throughout the day, but it will be cloudy with light rain along the Eastern Cape and KZN coastal areas. It dries out here later on, and over the southwestern areas we are going to stay with quite a bit of cloud about as this cold front continues to skim over the southwestern areas. Thundershowers are forecast this afternoon for the eastern areas of the Free State. Otherwise, it will be mostly fine for the western half of the country with cool to mild afternoon temperatures. In the evening, we will continue to see pretty wet weather for much of KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern areas of the Free State. Now, we are going to see very hot afternoon temperatures once again for parts of northeastern South Africa. Palabora hitting the 38-degree mark, 35 for Pretoria as well as Mahikeng, just a degree cooler in Potchefstroom as well as around Mbombela. In KwaZulu-Natal, we are going to be seeing isolated to scattered rain and thunderstorms, and the thunderstorms will also spill into the Bethlehem area in the Free State. Otherwise, Bloemfontein and Felcom get away with partly cloudy skies with highs in the lower 30s. We are expecting a bit of rain for the first part of the day in the Eastern Cape from Makanda through Bisho into Mthatha, where high of 20 is expected. It's going to be mostly cloudy and rainy for the KZN coastal areas. There's chance of thundershowers around Port St. John's, where temperatures peak at around 22 degrees, a bit cooler as we go towards Port Elizabeth and East London, where pretty breezy conditions are expected. Swells of the east coast are going to reach around 2 meters, with the swell coming from the southerly direction. We are expecting mostly sunny skies for the Southern Cape interior with a pleasantly warm afternoon temperatures. There's a small chance of light rain around Jeffreys Bay, pretty windy for the coastal town with winds exceeding 40 kilometers per hour, 3.5 meter swell heights off the south coast, with the swell coming from the southwest. In the Northern Cape, we are going to see mostly sunny skies with warm to hot temperatures over the northeastern areas. A bit of rain as well for Cape Town this morning, but it dries out quickly. Big swell heights off the west coast reaching around 4.5 meters. Now on Friday, we should see isolated rain and thundershowers for the eastern sections, but as we go through the first day of the weekend, the rain and thunderstorms are going to intensify over eastern South Africa to be dry and warm to hot for the western parts. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Have a great one.